Welcome back to another Eats365 release overview. In this video, we will explore the latest updates to various Eats365 modules. Let's dive in. First, let's go over these new and exciting features and enhancements on the merchant portal, starting with an enhanced user interface for the void items report and combo option configuration page, a clarifying tooltip for the party size input format setting, a new error notice for invalid discounts included in menu templates, new editable item details in menu templates, the ability to customize the menu layout for individual devices or the whole restaurant, and the display of a member's third-party CRM platform on the customer and transaction details pages. As for our other modules, the POS now supports printing custom supplementary notes directly onto label tickets. The branded online store now features predictive item suggestions for registered customers using built-in AI prediction capabilities. The Android Q-Ticket Kiosk received diagnostic log enhancements, and Biz now supports 365 Pay as a payment method. We'll be going over each of these updates in more detail. If you're interested in a specific topic, check the timestamps in the video description below to jump to the topic you'd like to learn more about. Let's get started. The enhanced Void Items report features an improved table structure for better report navigation. Now, when voiding multiple items in the same action, the items will be listed under the same instance of the order, instead of creating individual rows for each item. If you perform two separate void actions on the same order, the report will list those as separate void transactions under the same order ID. To learn how to generate the Void Items report, refer to the help article listed in the video description. Next up is another user interface enhancement. The combo option configuration page now features a fresh new look for improved navigation. All existing functions remain exactly the same. Refer to the help articles listed in the description to learn more about setting up combo options. On to the next enhancement. The party size input format option in the Merchant Portal Advanced Settings now includes a note clarifying that the function only applies to the POS. You can find this setting by logging in to the Merchant Portal. Click on Advanced Settings and System Preferences, then select Operation Preferences. Moving on. Item discounts with unrecognized offers will result in invalid discounts. This typically happens when you clone a shop's menu from one shop to another using menu templates. If an item discount is configured for a specific menu item, but that item is excluded from the new template, the system won't be able to identify the offer. For example, a free drink discount will be unrecognized when the free item is not included in the menu template contents you're applying. In Discount 2.0, this will flag the discount as invalid, while in Discount 1.0, the offer field will simply appear blank. To learn how to manage menu templates, refer to the help article listed in the video description. Continuing with another menu template enhancement, you can now include menu tags, menu tag types, and use import tools for bulk updating product and modifier names. To learn more, refer to the help articles listed in the video description for menu tag configuration and bulk importing steps. Next, you can now manage POS menu layout settings for individual devices or for the whole restaurant directly through the Merchant Portal. This allows you to standardize how the POS menu looks across all terminals in your shop, particularly the font size, displaying item images, and allowing two-line item names on screen. When these settings are configured for the whole shop, you can still override them to set preferences on individual devices. The menu item placement and other item-specific settings should still be set on individual devices and can be done in the Layout editor within Menu Setup. Refer to the help article listed in the video description to how to manage the items in your menu layout. To enable restaurant-wide menu layout settings, on the Merchant Portal Advanced Settings, open Cashier Preferences. Turn on Apply Settings to all POS devices for the Menu Layout Editor and set your preferred settings. To configure menu layout preferences for individual devices, you may do this in the POS license settings under the Modules options. Next to the terminal you want to apply device-specific menu layout settings, click on Edit. Turn on Override Setting and set your preferences for the selected POS. For our final Merchant Portal update, a member's third-party CRM platform will now be explicitly displayed on both the member's customer details profile and their order's transaction details. This is an automatic update and should apply to your portal system upon refreshing the page. For our only POS enhancement for this update, you can now include custom notes on label tickets to indicate important supplementary details. This is perfect for highlighting recipe formulas, specific portion sizes, ingredient lists for allergens, nutritional information, or tailored customer messages. This function allows restaurant staff and customers to know exactly what modifiers are in the orders. To learn how to configure this new function for your restaurant, refer to the help article listed in the video description. Moving on, the branded online store now features recommended item suggestions for registered customers using built-in AI prediction capabilities. These predictive recommendations are based on the restaurant's overall sales trends, the customer's purchase history, and items currently in their cart. The algorithm adapts over time to learn individual customers' preferences. This function supports full-service and quick-service restaurant types. When enabled for your restaurant's website, customers will see these convenient suggestions on both the menu and checkout pages. Keep in mind that upon first activation, the system requires 3 to 4 days to train its AI models on your restaurant's transaction data. Once the feature has received sufficient data, you can generate the Upsell Performance Report to review the feature's performance. This report includes an analytics summary, various visual presentations of performance, and a list of top-performing recommendations to let you know how the feature is affecting your sales and how you can use these details to boost sales even more. To learn how to configure this new feature for your website and explore performance analytics, refer to the help articles listed in the video description. Note that this function is currently in beta testing. If you have any questions, you may contact Eats365 support for assistance. Next, we have a quick update for the Android Q-Ticket Kiosk. When sending diagnostic data to Eats365 for troubleshooting, the system will now explicitly show whether the upload was successful or failed. If an upload fails, the kiosk will immediately prompt you with a retry option. To learn how to send your Q-Ticket Kiosk's diagnostic logs for troubleshooting purposes, refer to the help article in the video description. Lastly, Biz version 2.6.3 now supports 365 Pay. When integrated, you can process supported payments such as credit cards, Alipay, and WeChat Pay. To learn how to process payments using 365 Pay on the Biz, refer to the help article in the description. To integrate 365 Pay with your Biz, on the Merchant Portal, click on Restaurant Settings, then Payment Settings. Click on Integrated Payment Settings, then open the 365 Pay tab. Enable the function, then choose your preferred printing device, tipping method, and select the payment types you want to support on the Biz. Once configured in Payment Settings, contact Eats365 support to complete the setup. Alright, that completes our highlights for this video. Make sure to subscribe to keep up to date with the latest features.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give